Inframe School of Art, Design and Business, a unit of Inframe Educational Society, registered under Rajasthan Society Act 1958, is where creativity meets opportunity. We believe every creative mind deserves the right platform. Inframe provides that space, helping students shape their passion into a career. We offer flexible short courses of 3 and 6 months, diplomas of 1 and 2 years, and degree programs like BWalk and BTES. In interior design, fashion design, fine arts, graphic design, UI UX design, jewelry design, digital marketing, animation and VFX, and video editing. With online and offline classes, smart classrooms, Wi Fi campus, Green Lab recording lab, and access to recorded sessions. Learning at Inframe is simple and convenient. Students gain real world exposure through projects, site visits, and expert workshops. We provide placement opportunities across India with a 100% placement guarantee after courses completion. Inframe is partnered with Career Point Institute of Skill Development and Global University, offering UGC approved and recognized courses. At Inframe, we don't just teach, we inspire. Join Inframe School of Art, Design and Business and frame your future with creativity and confidence.